Let's play Top Trumps. Now, Top Trumps is quite a simple game, and as you can see, you can build up quite a collection from your favorite TV shows, movies, or real-life vehicles and animals. We will use the Lord of the Rings Return of the King pack to demonstrate play. The game can be played by any number of people, though personally I think 2 is the best. To play, you first shuffle the deck, and I like to shuffle my cards this way so as not to bend them. After shuffling, deal the cards out face down equally to each player. Then decide on who goes first, a mighty task. Each player then picks up their pile and looks at the top card. The first player then chooses a category from the list on the card and reads out loud that category along with the associated number. So let's say I choose Magic 14. I read that out loud and my opponent then reads the number from their Magic category, which in this instance is a 2, meaning the 2 lost, ha ha ha, as it's lower. The card that lost is now handed to me, and I place it and the card I just played at the bottom of my pack of cards. Since I won, I get to go again. This time I choose Ferocity 59, but my opponent's is 60. So now I give my card reluctantly to them, and they place it and the card they just played to the back of their pile. Play then continues with the opponent now choosing the category. And sometimes you can have a really good streak until your luck turns and you're down to your final card and you lose it. But that's okay, you had fun, right? The player with the most cards is the winner, and that's how you play. Now, there may come an instance when you both have the same number in the category. When this occurs, place both cards in the middle of the table. The player whose turn it was chooses another category from their next top card. If they win, they get the opponent's card and the 2 in the middle. If the opponent wins, they get the opponent's card and the 2 in the middle. Play then continues as normal with the new winner going first. This is also what you do if there is no data available for that category. Some packs like this one can be combined with other sets to have an even longer and bigger game. Now, Top Trumps, as you can see, is a favorite of mine. I have quite a few packs, and it is a great little game to take on road trips or on flights, or just to look at the pretty pictures.